Have you ever felt like this? You dream of success. You imagine a life full of comfort, pride, and freedom. But when it's time to take the first step, you wait. You say tomorrow. If that sounds familiar, this story might change the way you see your own life. Once upon a time, in a small green valley surrounded by tall mountains, there lived a young man named Marco. He was 25, full of energy and big dreams. Every evening, he told his friends, "One day, I'll be the richest farmer in this whole village." Everyone liked Marco's confidence, but there was one problem: he never did anything. When the sun rose, other farmers went to work, but Marco stayed in bed. When the men worked under the hot sun, Marco sat under a tree, talking about success. When it was time to fetch water, he said, "I'll do it later." He loved to dream, but he hated to move. One evening, Marco's uncle, an old wise farmer, came to visit. He looked at Marco's field. The soil was rich, but dry and empty. "Marco, my son," he said, "you always speak of golden crops, but your land looks dead." Marco laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I'll start tomorrow." The old man smiled quietly. He had heard that tomorrow too many times before. He took out 2 small bags and said, "These are magic seeds. If you plant the ambition seed and care for it daily, it will grow into a strong tree full of fruit, shade, and success. But if you plant the laziness seed, it will grow fast and spread weeds that destroy your whole field." He looked at Marco and said, "Both seeds are in your hands. What grows depends on which one you water." Marco smiled. "Of course I'll plant ambition. I'm not lazy." But the next morning, he slept in. "I'll do it tomorrow," he whispered again. Days passed. Out of boredom, he finally planted both seeds. Weeks went by. He forgot about them. When he finally returned to his field, he froze in shock. The laziness seed had taken over. Weeds covered the ground like a dark blanket. The ambition seed was barely alive, small, dry, almost dead. His uncle came back and said, "Now you see, Marco, ambition needs daily care, effort, discipline, and time." Marco fell to his knees. Dreams mean nothing without action. The next morning, before sunrise, Marco went to his field. He tore out the weeds with his own hands. His back hurt, his hands bled, but he didn't stop. He watered the ambition seed every single day, and slowly the field began to change. Months turned into years, and the tiny seed became a grand tree. Marco became known as the man who defeated his laziness and rebuilt his life. We all carry 2 seeds inside: ambition and laziness. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start now.